Interactive 3D property boundaries make plots and land areas easier to visualize with clear 3D outlines and custom styling. With MAPOG, you can add locations, draw 3D boundaries, customize maps, and share interactive property maps easily. Start by opening story.mapog.com and going to Open Workspace under the Operations and Planning section. Navigate to Locations, click Add, and select New Location Type to create a template that defines listing details and ensures consistency. Enter a name, choose a suitable color, and set the geometry type as point. Then add attributes using text, number, drop-down, or multi-select fields based on the details you want to capture. And click Create Type to save the template. Next, go to Upload, select the template you just created, and upload your CSV or Excel file. Assign a unique ID to each location to avoid duplicates and allow easy updates. Carefully match the attributes with your Excel fields, ensuring latitude and longitude are mapped correctly, and then click Submit. Now go to Open Workspace under the Create and Publish section and click Create New Map. Select the Template option, choose Category Template, and proceed. Enter a title and a brief description for your map. After coming to the map interface, open Settings, browse and upload your logo, and save the changes. After that, click on Add Location and choose Add via Library. In the library, search for the business template you created earlier. Select the locations you want by clicking them individually, or use Select All to add everything at once, and then click Add Business Locations. Your selected points will now appear on the map. Click on any location and open the Edit panel to update business details. Add descriptions, images, and other relevant information to make every point more informative and visually clear. Repeat this process for all locations. Next, open the Annotation section and select 3D Boundary. Use the freehand tool to draw around the required area, then double-click to complete it. The selected area will instantly appear as a 3D boundary. You can further customize it by editing the boundary name, color, opacity, and height. Repeat this for multiple zones to clearly separate and highlight different regions on the map. To make the map easier to understand, go to Add Layer Style and choose Category Styling. Assign different colors and icons based on attributes so locations can be visually distinguished at a glance. Then enable Label feature to display names directly on the map, with options to customize the font, size, color, and style. You can also use the Group By feature to organize locations according to specific attributes, helping reduce clutter and making the map more interactive and easier to navigate. Once everything is ready, open Preview and Share to configure sharing settings. Choose whether the map should remain private or be accessible publicly. You can share it using a direct link, embed it into a website, or invite collaborators by adding users and assigning different access roles. Add new team members, or invite existing members to participate. Create interactive 3D property boundaries to make land parcels, zones, and property areas more visually clear and easier to explore on maps with MAPOG. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.